Want to save all your Snapchat memories at once? In this video, I'll show you how to download your Snapchat memories on your phone. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once it's open, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right. On the settings page, scroll down and tap on My Privacy and Data. Then tap on My Data. Snapchat will load a page showing all the data you can download. Tap on Export Your Memories. At this point, you have two options. You can download only your memories, or you can include other data like chats, spotlight activity, and more. If you only want your memories, select Request Only Memories, then tap on Next. Now choose the date range. If you want everything you have ever saved, just select All Time. Scroll down and double check the email address shown. Snapchat will send a download link to this email, so make sure it's correct. Once everything looks good, tap on Submit. You will see a message saying your export is being prepared. This can take some time. When it's ready, Snapchat will email you a link to download all your memories. You can also check the status by going back to the My Data section in Settings. If your download is ready, it will show up there. And that's it. That's how you can download all your Snapchat memories at once. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorial like this.